Football fever invaded central Illinois Sunday afternoon with many local bars and eateries packed with people ready for the big Bears and Packers showdown. For many fans, you can argue this game, and not the Super Bowl, was the biggest game of the year.
Today, I woke up, all I can think about, the Bears.
This is the Super Bowl. If we win, it's domination and it's a dynasty.
Bears Nation was well represented here in Peoria, but a few Green Bay fans were brave enough to venture out to watch the NFC Championship.
There was a lot of deliberation whether it was worth it, but I'm confident in my team.
And despite getting off to a slow start, it was easy to find plenty of excited Bears fans every place we went.
I'm feeling good right now, so obviously, everybody else is feeling good. It's a good time, and go Bears, baby.
But in the end, only one team can move on, leaving a mix of jubilation and sadness for many area football fans.
It's a huge win. Who can believe it? And over the Bears and Super Bowl bound. Awesome.
Not gonna lie, this is a lifetime thing here. Packers fans have bragging rights for a long time.
All they did was make fun of me for being a Packers fan, so here I am, soaking up the glory.
In Peoria, Brandon Arnold.